In this video, I'll show you how to make Google my homepage on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you want to make Google as your homepage on your Windows 11 or Windows 10, this video is for you. After you open up your Microsoft browser or any browser you want to set it, so the first thing to do, now go to this new tab and search for google.com. After you search for google.com like this, so the next thing to do now, go back to a new page. So after you go back to a new tab like this, click on this three dot, go to settings. So go to this start home and new tab page. So click on this open custom site. So add site. So now go back to the google.com. Here is it now. Click on the search. So now copy the address. After you copy the address like this, now go back to the search. After you go back to the settings, so now right click and paste in the address you copy and click on this add button. So now close your browser and go back to the browser again. So as you can see now the Google has become my home page. So the next thing to do now, click on this settings again. After you click on the settings, now go to this settings again. So from this option, now scroll to down and go to this privacy, search and services. Then click on this search and connected sub experience. So go to this address bar and search. So from this option, now your default search engine is Bing. So it's not Google. So you have to change it. So click on this option and select Google. So now close the browser and open the browser again. So now here is it now. Now if I click on this search, so now if I type in something, if I search for something, BBC. So as you can see now it's now using Google, not a Bing. Hope this video helps you out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.